Forrest setting up a happy lamp. Happy lamp, happy lamp, happy Forrest.
There you go.
What'd that do?
Light it and it pops out like this.
Sounds cool.
It's happy.
Come on down to Casey Firework, y'all. Celebrating 75 years of good times. Happy and joy. CaseyFirework.com. FireworksSC.com. Check us out. 3830 Rosewood Drive, Columbia, South Carolina. Right next to USC campus and 5 Points. Downtown Columbia, South Carolina. We mean business. We got some good fireworks. There's Daddy right there. There's Daddy right there. There's Daddy right there. He's doing the daddy dance. He's doing the daddy dance. He's doing that good old daddy dance. He's doing the good old daddy dance.